Today I'm gonna share how to create a million of sentences with the word can. Can is called modal verb. Before can we'll have to use a subject, and after can we'll have to use base form of verb. The structure will be subject plus can plus verb 1. Base form of verb. If I take a word read as a verb, the sentence will be I can read. Here I is subject, can is modal verb, and the main verb is read. That means আমি পড়তে পারি. If I take come, the sentence will be I can come. আমি আসতে পারি. If I take go, I can go. আমি যেতে পারি. Instead of I, if I use he, the sentence will be he can come. সে আসতে পারে. He can go. সে যেতে পারে. He can read. সে পড়তে পারে.